Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your savings plan with HSBC, beginner guide step by step clearly. To manage your savings plan with HSBC, start by visiting the HSBC website. Create an online banking account if you don't have one already. This will give you access to your financial information and savings tools. Once logged in, navigate to the savings account section. Review the different types of savings accounts available. Choose an account that best matches your savings goals and needs. Next, open your chosen savings account by following the on-screen instructions. Fill in the required personal information. Make sure to review the terms and conditions before submitting your application. Once your account is set up, it's time to establish your savings goals. Define what you are saving for, whether it's a trip, a car, or an emergency fund. Set a target amount to help keep you motivated. Determine how much you can save each month. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This ensures consistent savings without the temptation to spend. Monitor your savings regularly through the online banking portal. Check your progress towards your goals and adjust your savings plan if necessary. If you receive windfalls, consider allocating a portion of those funds to your savings. Stay informed about any promotional savings rates offered by HSBC. Always read through the fine print to understand any conditions that may apply. Be patient and stay committed to your savings plan. With discipline, you will see your savings grow over time. Finally, review your savings plan at least once a year. Make adjustments based on changes in your financial situation or goals. By following these steps, you'll effectively manage your savings plan with HSBC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.